Hello there. In this class we are going to be discussing how do we subtract numbers using 2's complement. We have already completed addition using 2's complement. You can watch those videos. I'll give the links of those videos in the description. Now, how do we subtract using 2's complement? So the funny thing is that a computer never performs subtraction. The computer actually performs addition always. Even if the user wants to subtract something, the computer still performs addition in the background. How does it happen? For example, a user create an instruction like this. Let's say user wants to subtract 2 from 4 minus 2. So the computer processes it in this way. It will consider this 4 as a positive number. The computer will consider my 2 as a negative number, and it will add both of them just like this. 4 and minus 2 will be added together to find out the result, which in this case will act as a difference. The user will not understand that inside the computer only addition is happening. The user will think that the computer is performing subtraction, but actually the computer is not performing subtraction. The computer is actually performing addition for subtraction too, just like this. So I hope you have understood a little bit. I've got an example here where we perform subtraction. Let's say I want to subtract 5 from 6, which is somehow like this, 6 minus 5, so using 2's complement. Now in this case again you can just simply write this in this form. This can be written as plus 6 plus minus 5. Now both are same if you see. So plus 6 and minus 5, if you have something like this, and if you have, let's say, 5-bit register, in that case what will you do? You will convert 6 into binary, which will become 0 0 1 0, and 5 will be 0 0 1 0 1. Now as this is a negative number, we will find 2's complement of this number, which will be 1 1 0 1 1, and the above number is positive number, so it will keep just like that, 1 1 0. And I'll simply add these two. 1 plus 1 will be 0, 1 will be on the carry, 1 plus 1 will again be 0, 1 will go to carry again 0, 1 will go to carry again 0, 1 will go to another carry, and this time the carry will be discarded because this is the leftover carry. So I'll have only a 1 here. Now if I convert this number into decimal, I'll get 1, which is what? 1. And whenever I subtract 5 from 6, I am going to get 1, which is a valid result in my case. So actually you saw that a computer never performs subtraction, rather a computer performs addition for subtraction too. So this is how it works. I hope it's very simple for you guys. So like our video, and the next video is going to be the introduction to Boolean algebra. We'll first introduce Boolean algebra, we'll give a small background for it, and then we'll try to understand some elements of Boolean algebra, which we will be keep discussing in this following chapter. So thank you for following us, and please like and subscribe if you got anything from this video.